Morning, afternoon, or whatever. May I wait for talk my mind? Yep. May I wait for talk it? May I wait for see people come on? So, I get to understand, say, me sucking wood is a problem to everybody. You understand? I get to understand, say, my sucking wood I stop people from live, eat, sleep. I get to understand, say, me sucking wood is a problem to everybody I back to except me. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I not stop. When I eat from my mouth. When I born, God give me the go ahead, the right, the belief to suck any amount of cocky when me want suck. So who are devotion, congregation, seminar, and all around the world, when come off of my name. The whole world know me so good, because I was did it on internet. When see that take something now for me? When see man so good? When see girl suck pussy? So why me sucking a cocky bother uno? No stop me, no bother me. Me live blood clot good. See there, when you go suck a wood and live good. Me live good. So me don't know what my sucking would do with half the people. You understand? That full time now apart from my back. Me not stop suck wood. So when the video on the talk say Stephanie suck. Stephanie not stop. Stephanie at 35. The last time I've done it was Saturday when my man, Friday night when my man leave me suck him out. So anybody will have a problem with that, when you find blood clot Donald Trump and tell him say me suck cocky make him deport. Me for come off of my name now, man. 2012, 5 years on the can't know, on the can't get it together so me not stop one problem. Like get the fuck off of me now, me suck cocky and what? Yes. See it here? Lips for suck cocky, me born with it. My mother give me them. And them lip ya suck cocky. Me have suck cocky lips. If I want to see them, you know say, that's my job. You know if you come off of my name now, man. It has stop something. It has stop something for no. My sucking cocky has stop on the front eat sleep. You know see girl suck pussy, girl suck, man a suck cocky. So why is it everything with my name a suck cocky? Like really? Like when if you come off of my name now, man. I'm gonna look at cocky if you suck or a pussy or something. Like, get the fuck off of my name now, man. I'm tired of uno. Yes, I'm tired of uno, so I'm adjusting everything. Me suck good. Really? The fuck, really? Really? That's all you can say? That's all alone you can say? No for no I suck good and afraid for blood clot come out and say no I suck good. Me I go pay them mine. Me I pay them blood clot mine. Because since them want to be seen, me I tell you the straight, I'm not gonna stop. So when you get with it, me not stop. You understand? Me not stop. So when you can't come off of it now, because me I go life telling you say me not stop so cocky. So too bad if you no want to suck it. It nice. So if you leave me alone, come off of my name every day you dep on my name, me suck good. Me say, really? Yo, you don't have someone who have nothing better for do. You no house no want fix. You no house no want fix. On the bed, on the furniture, no one blood clot spray over. On the have nothing constructive for do. Eh? On the house, no one blood clot fix. On the furniture, them no one spray over. On no one up to date. On no one acrylic furniture on the house. Nobody now use wood no more. On no one blood clot acrylic furniture and canopy bed. Nobody now use blood clot wood no more. No come out from a pussy clot name now, man. Every day on the dep on my name, dep on my name, dep on my name. But me suck good and me suck good and me suck good. What? Me not stop. What the problem? Me not stop. Me suck cocky. That's it. Me not suck no pussy. And if me decide to suck pussy, guess what? It's my mouth. You understand? Only now want some of them nice suck me and on the house. When you suck good and get some of them suck me and on the house now. When you suck good and get some up to date things in on the blood clot house. When you suck good now and get them here. This is where my blood clot suck good give me. When you suck good and get some of them here on the house now. Blood clot. When you suck good and buy one of them big pretty valves here now. When you suck good now, come off from a full time now when you come off from my name. Every day you come and talk about this, that, and the third. Come on from my name. I don't care.
I don't like it.
I don't care. Yes. Like me on the problem. I'm here on the problem. I'm here on the blood clot problem. Every day when I get up, I suck with. I'm not stop. I'm not stop. The last time I check, I push my own door, so I have a right to do whatever I want to do. I'm grown. I pay my own bills. So if I want to suck cocky, I mean, by all means, go ahead and let a bitch suck her cocky in peace. Why the fuck when you just get up every day and I text it for me about blood clot suck cocky? I was so, when you look up suck cocky, Stephanie alone, you see? How much girl suck cocky, look how much man suck cocky. And then I blood clot crucified them. You come out from a pussy clot name now, man. Every day you know everything when you talk about me suck good. I stop suck cocky. So when you get over with, when you get me I tell you straight, me not stop. Me not stop. So if you know what here, me not stop. Saying me not stopping. Like the fuck. Everything when me suck good, yeah. How about me suck cocky, but me take care of my pin them is a great mother. How about that? Every day you know depend on my name, but my blood clot suck cocky, me not stop. God give me that right for suck cocky. When someone for go suck blood clot cocky, cause it don't make no sense. Come on from my name now, man. Every day you know depend on my blood clot name, but me suck cocky, and me there find a suck cocky. What the fuck? Really? Me have a job though. Yes, me suck cocky because I like it. Not because me someone want to suck blood clot cocky for $1,000. Me have my own money. Someone want blood clot suck cocky just because I don't love suck cocky. You know, come on from a pussy clot name. Look how much girl long there fuck girl. Look how much I want to do a blood clot back to a fuck girl and a suck girl. Me I walk a sit down and I worry about who a blood clot suck. You know, come on from a pussy clot name, man. And love me now, man. At 2017, come on from my name. You come on from a blood clot name. See them look good, so I'm supposed to suck cocky. I'm supposed to suck cocky because I look good girl suck cocky. Every day on the on my blood clot name, but Stephanie suck cocky. I'm so, what? Like the fuck, from 2012, 5 years, what a cocky me suck, so I guess what? Me a blood clot supervisor and a sucking cocky. You understand? A full time now, you forgot watch out, you say life and stop watch people, man. That's what you have to do, man. Go watch people. I know where me I do, man. I know where you I do, man. And I know where me I go. I know where my sucking cocky are going to bring me. Someone in a blood clot leave back to more than got a blood clot after 3. You don't ever have a fee for go up at embassy for book on yourself a blood clot date. You understand? And they walk and worry about people who are suck cocky and who are this and who are that. My man have a problem with me and sucking cocky. My mother not have a problem with me and it. God not, me sure no God not condemn me. That was me sure. So from God not condemn me, what have no problem with me and sucking cocky? Let me ask you now again, what is the problem? Every day on the depend my name, I keep devotion, I keep graduation for my blood clot name for suck cocky. Why? Me not stop. So I can share this as million times as you know one. Me not blood clot stop, so I come out from my name now. The fuck? Every day on the depend people name, people do this and people do that and people do that. Look how much man a blood clot fuck man and girl a fuck girl. Look how much girl a find anybody share my video and get blood clot delete. When I go share it up, chow. Look how much girl a fuck girl and man a fuck man. When I hear no torment them, one and them a friend. And a pussy when catch me a suck a cocky. And never catch. Cause me no blood clot hide. So what the problem? All of them share my video, like me share it, me I go delete you. You understand? A full time now on the group and find something to do. But look at work. When you sit down, most of them want to push a lick down the whole of that blood clot. All of them sit down and watch people. Who are this and who are that. When you go look at blood clot work, I go kill on yourself, man. And come out from my name now, man. Tired of you know. Every day on the dip on my blood clot name, but I suck cocky and I suck. And so, someone who suck pussy and a fuck girl. And no blind, deaf and dumb to fool no business. Where God condemn you know. Yeah, you know, condemn. God condemn you know and no blood clot. Sit down for my name every day but I suck cocky. God not condemn me. I can still call up on him name. God condemn you know. You no fuck woman, you no fuck man. You no back and front. On a blood clot back and forth with woman and man, and on a blood clot, sit down and worry about blood clot people. Don't worry about yourself and don't worry about me, man. And the next time you hear none of them call me name, I go up on a blood clot wall. Because let alone can tell me say, me suck cocky. I go tag on. Because you know I'm not afraid. That's the only thing you can tell me, so I suck cocky. And I not stop. You understand? I say, why is it my life offend uno? It's like, say, me make on the blood clot can come a foreign. My sucking cocky put Trump in a power. Uno condemn, and I go say me suck cocky and make him reach on the White House. And me put him there. And me blood clot give holiness the country for fuck up. And me put him there. So why the fuck you not take it from me and this suck cocky business and this suck cocky thing? I don't need to grow the fuck up. Like the fuck? Me at 35. Old enough to do anything what I want to fucking do. Because it's my life. You understand? I'm old enough to do anything what I want to do. You don't need to come off of people where I go places. You don't need to come off of people where I go places because you don't go back to a blood clot go nowhere more than a blood clot. Town, Alfred Tree, and who for dead go down a blood clot, made arrest and blood clot, dove clot. That's it. And the destination is very limited. I don't start traveling yet. You don't need to come off of my name now, man. Like really, it's full of, I'm tired now. Like when I get up every day for just text up on people, say people suck cocky and people say, what the fuck? Me not stop. Yes, me not stop. Me not stop. So me I tell you, me not stop. The last time I check, when I call upon God, him never turn him back for me. That means I'm doing something good. And the man when I take them now want to leave. So obviously me I do something good. So too bad for me for now and blood clot suck cocky. Me have to suck my man cocky. So, on the ear from my mouth, yes. I'm pretty sure so you see. I don't care. But all me I tell you say, leave me name alone. Because 95% of you don't have blood clot back to a sodomite. You know a fuck you know one another. You know a suck cocky, you know a suck pussy. Me not reach a pussy stage yet. You understand? Me still there the chapter 1 of blood clot sucking cocky. You know run past me and who younger than me to blood clot. You know a suck cocky, pussy. You take one man fuck off all 15 a blood clot, you know, and you just walk and a fuck and a suck. I don't know my problem with me, but I'm an American citizen, you know. My 2 kids, them is American citizen, you know. My blood clot file for my daughter, automatically she's a citizen. Me no cruff. I push my own door, me have a blood clot job. Me have a life insurance, if I dead blood clot today, I pitney them alright. You don't worry about me. Do not worry about me. If my dead today, Rona and Stefan is quite fine. Them now come blood clot torment to me. So why is it my sucking cocky is a problem to Uno? Eh? I don't understand everything. Me suck cocky, me suck. What so? Me fucking fill up and tired down now. Everything me suck cocky and me suck cocky and me suck. The fuck? Only can't spell suck cocky. Some only can have a blood clot spell suck cocky. Only just hear the word and blood clot follow it. Only can spell suck cocky. I'm supposed to can suck cocky because I can spell cocky back way, front way, side way. So I'm supposed to. I'm supposed to can spell suck it because I can spell suck 1,000,001 way. I'm supposed to suck cocky. I not calm down, Dennis. I'm tired of them. Everything them call me name. Family, everybody, me suck. What the fuck? Donald Trump now look for me, see it here? Me I walk freely. Him now look for me. Me then I find and me now blood clot walk and run and hide. Cause me straight. Me no leaning at this blood clot. Some of there, I don't do every blood clot no on hand for on the foot. I don't walk and worry about people. Me have a job, a steady job. From 2000 blood clot job. After that I still get pay. Me have a blood clot steady job. Uno stop worry about people when I remember Uno. Me too pinning them alright, I'm alright. Sucking cocky are the least of Uno blood clot worries. The least of Uno worries. A girl a suck cocky up offend Uno. Me I stop Uno from blood clot live. Me I stop Uno from live. Me I cut off something for Uno. And me I kill people. I said no I made a rest through me suck cocky. Every day on the depend. She suck cocky, she suck cocky. The fuck? Look how much blood clot Batman they are back to. Look how much sodomite they are back to. So why is my sucking cocky are the only topic for the dwell upon? From 2012 till now, you can't get it together. I'm gonna stop. So when you feel like someone gonna talk every day, say she suck cocky and she suck cocky. You feel like somebody gonna go up on a bridge and jump off and kill my blood clot self? Nope. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go home and suck it again. So I'm gonna see where they don't say, Mrs. Suck cocky. You know, stop something, stop something for you. Because surely ain't stopping nothing for me. You understand? It's a full time now to leave people alone. Make people live them life where they want blood clot live. And worry about themselves. Someone need to go back to blood clot school. Because I don't have a pity them and when the pity them come from school and they can't have a blood clot. Help them pay in a book. I don't worry about me. When the pity them come from school and they can't have help on the pity them turn a blood clot book much as a leaf. For help them blood clot do them homework and now I can worry about me. You don't forget worry about the pity them. Because teacher alone cannot teach pitney. When pitney come home with homework, they need mother help to help them. And you don't have the qualification to do that.
Guess what?
Me a talk man, because I'm sick and tired of them. Sometimes that's why I say blood clot salt. Every day them get up on people name, but them a suck. The man no want them to suck them cocky, you know. Because them not nice. Them all no blood clot. The man no want them to suck them cocky. My man want me. You understand? If I even suck him cocky, he want me to do something. Like the fuck is 2017. Why is it sucking dick is a problem to Uno down there? And 95% of Uno are suck pussy. A pussy Uno girl a suck, a pussy Uno a suck. And Uno friend them okay with that. So what? With the blood clot, and me blood clot kill Jesus, and me suck him cocky and crucify him? And me suck him cocky and crucify him? But look how much body fucking a take place down our back too. Look how much big man a fuck off, look a girl down our back too. But me will live a unite, me live at the land for it. I live up the land for it. Me live at the land for sucking cocky, so me supposed to do it. I am an American citizen, so I'm supposed to blood clot suck cocky. So why is it my sucking cocky offend Uno? I mean, my sucking cocky can't get in a blood clot part program. When they go over there, the line closed, because I suck cocky. Uno love me, man. Excuse me. You know where the 2 train is?
Sure.
Where? That way?
You have 2 trucks.
Where?
Here and Roger. You could walk to Beverly.
Yeah.
That's closer. Walk to Beverly. Actually, that's
Okay. Yes. Back to Uno now. Uno skirmish. Get up every day and worry about people where they are foreign.
when they see you downtown.
Man, I'm going to the Bronx.
Okay, good.
Get up and worry about people every day. When I remember Uno. Uno have life insurance.
Go when you reach the restaurant.
Yeah,
Walk, and
okay.
it's in Beverly.
Okay.
And this side.
Uno do even have, if you're not dead right now, Uno have people have to walk and see. Uno have life insurance. Uno know what is a life insurance policy? Eh? Uno have life insurance, but you know what is a life insurance policy? Uno life blood clot value nothing. Uno life do even value nothing. When someone dead a blood clot, arms also a collection of for bury. When me bury, me prepare for my death. Cause me bury a blood clot ready, I'm not dead yet. New York Life got that covered. I'm a pitney them get. You don't know what is a blood clot life insurance policy. Uno value nothing. Eh? Uno blood clot do even value a penny. If me dead right now, me pitney them alright. You understand? And them can't give a none. Uno always worry about people who are better off than Uno. Uno do have a blood clot, have a blood clot. No, not even a NCB card don't have. So you don't know for blood clot have a cash pot and part program. I don't worry about people. We have them life in order, have them life together. I don't go here, man. I'm going to worry about on the dirty blood. Every day on the paper, I suck cocky. What? You want to know, you want to see me? I want to know. I know I texted for me from 2012 till everything. As you know, call me name. Like I said, the blood clot me and Stephanie change. I suck cocky. Me don't come out from my name now, man. Me a human being too, you know. And 95% of you know we attack a suck cocky and a lick out. But me not reach them stage there yet. Me never suck a pussy yet. From me know myself, I pay cocky going out of my mouth. I'm telling you that straight. Because the fuck you know get up every day. As you know call me name, so my man love it, yes, he love it. Especially when I push it way down at the blood clot back of my throat, he love it. Yes. That's what him love. Especially that part there. We push it way back, down there so, round there so, and that part them like. You understand? Like when you get a life. When you get a fucking life. You understand? If you get a life now. You understand? You know what I say to one, but when every day on the depot, I don't feel like I can jump off of one bridge, I can leave work, go home and go suck it again. So if you have a problem, look like myself, if you don't tell me, if me sucking cocky affect you, let me see if I can go around it somewhere, somehow. Can I look like when I suck cocky, you know hungry. The more I suck it, the more no life mash up. You understand? It's full time now for no come off of people. We are go somewhere, yes. And when I go suck, anything you see me have on the red lipstick, you know what the cocky me go suck. You understand? The fuck out of here. When you get up every day upon people's life, when you do have a blood clot, no, for go fill out an application. You don't can't have a whole good conversation now. I can worry about blood clot people. We go somewhere. Me I go somewhere. Me there somewhere. Me there where the whole I know and come. If a man come right now I sound to suck me cocky, the whole I know I suck it for blood clot reach ya. You know, hypocrite blood clot, you know. Every day you know they put my name, but me suck cocky. The last time I do it was Friday night. Whole night me I suck it. Time I leave Saturday morning. So me I give him something for remember. Fucking set a imbecile, you know. Every blood clot you know they put people name, but I suck cocky. And some of the daughter suck pussy. Them I do both. Them a boaty. Me not boaty. One team alone me run for. One team alone me run for. One. I know I can worry about people with food and family, them a blood clot. Fuck girl, them from woman to man, from man to woman. Them blood clot confused. Them confused like dog. Them from pussy blood clot juice to cocky farm to sperms. Fuck out of here, man. Come off from my name now, man. The last time I got just about this suck cocky thing. Yeah, Stephanie Sullivan suck dick. Yeah, I'm telling you. So since you don't have a problem with it, I don't see the police I can beat down my door. I don't see the immigration around me down. You understand? I don't see the immigration I look for me. I'm quite fine. Yes, Benz, I'm tired of them and this suck cocky thing. Like the fuck? From 2012, everything suck cocky. So what? Every time I hear people this and people that. You understand? Come on, man. And I walk. How about me is a blood clot, good mother? How about me take care of my pin of them? How about me I push my own fucking door? That's all I can think. But how about me they have never blood clot? Yes, I'm going on a body store, got teeth, nothing. How about that? How about me live a blood clot fine and I never shoplift yet? Some on the blood clot, if you not come here on the teeth, all on the blood clot, see all old clothes. Every day on the depend people, she suck cocky girl. So my face here when me here. My face first of all a cute girl suck cocky. Yes. Because you have to have the expression. Yes, when you suck it, you have to make up your face for the man. Sister, you really enjoy it. Yes, I'm telling you about sucking cocky. It's a sucking cocky class. You understand? You have to have pretty face like this for suck cocky. You have to have pretty face like this for suck cocky. The man don't want an ugly girl. Your face have to be nice and pretty. You understand? Your face have to be nice and pretty. And you have to keep your tongue. Your tongue. Have to do blood clot, boom flick. Your tongue have to blood clot, gymnastic and split and do all type of thing. My sucking cocky no bother my mother, my mother this one me chew me suck good, you know. My mother don't this one me chew me blood clot suck good. Where's my opinion them? So anybody have a problem with me sucking cocky? The way me love sucking, me have to take a plane and go to Jamaica for the one cocky. And boy do I suck it. Can I tell you? Do every chance I get, I suck that boy would come me love him. You understand? Yes. Every chance I get. Your tongue African blood clot rotate. You ever see that? You ever go in a blood clot turnstile and you see the train turnstile and the thing, your tongue African do a blood clot 360. Keep on come off from live. Come know you come. Yes, every day them there for me suck cocky, Kimona. Me suck cocky. Like say, the whole world knows me suck cocky. You understand? The whole world know me so cocky. And I not see no police a look for me. I go work every day. And I come home and I not see no warrant under my door say judge want to see me so I so cocky. I not see child service a look for me so my blood clot so cocky. I not see ice. I not see ice there my blood clot yard so I so cocky. I not see no warrant out for me so why it a blood clot affect uno. So me so cocky. Eh? A full time now I come on for people name. I have a right for so cocky because I guess so I have time. I have time. Only sit there. Police see there. I drive past me. That means I don't want it. I don't want it. Because when you commit a crime, you can't walk in peace, especially in America. When you commit a crime, you cannot walk in peace. Police under your blood clot. So guess what? I'm going to come off alive now. I'm going to tell you, say, this bitch right here, she not start suck cocky yet. Because now me no reach fit, me don't know me no start suck, I know me no suck two at once. So no a blood clot, something for blood clot. You know something for look forward to. When we have two, one another corner and one another one, I can see one of blood clot. I can see if the moon go drop from the blood clot sky. When me have two in my mouth. Because I don't get up every fucking day and I text upon blood clot people. My man kiss me, you know, suck out all my tongue to say, I don't know no problem, man. My life don't short, I not done that, because everything from 2012, that's the only thing them can cuss me and tell me, say, when you find something else to cuss me and tell me, man, I'm tired of it now. I'm tired of it now, and you get up and text upon people, but people suck cocky, and no found it down there, blood clot, peer yeast infection on the throat, because pussy you know suck. Look, my tongue clean, look. It blood clot clean. I don't have no scummage in the back of my blood clot throat because I don't have shit in my mouth. I don't have no scummage. Look, it clean. Because God said go forth, man and woman. So I do anything I want blood clot do with a man. If I want suck cocky, gaggle balls, lick balls, make the man come in my face. It's my body, it's my face. Why do I make it bad at uno? It a trouble uno? It a trouble uno, it a stop uno from blood clot, it a stop uno from live. It a stop uno from live. When I go work, they send me home because I so cocky. When Friday come, when my blood clot check my account, I see them say, no money because you suck too much cocky. I get paid. I get paid every Friday. Every blood clot Friday. I'm supposed to suck cocky. Because if I'm dead today, New York life go and bury me. And give my daughter and my son the rest. Cocky for suck. That's where my belief. So anybody who don't want to suck cocky, hey, I don't care. But when you leave me in peace, make me stay over here so in my corner, in my zone, in my zip code. Because I don't know in the blood clot. I don't know in the blood clot, the same zip code. I number my zip code there. I stay in my zip code and my barrel and suck all the cocky we don't want to suck now. Leave me alone. You leave me alone, man. You come off of me now. Because when you talk to me so cocky, guess what? I not stop. Not stop. You go through that years and come through that one here. I go home, catch me couple weeks from now when I on the plane. When I land at Norman Manley and the man come pick me up. Yes. Probably just give my head right from airport, go right to Toll, to Portmore. Yes. I come out from a blood clot name now, man. I go suck on a mama. I go look at life insurance. Go down a Sagicor. If you don't know your name, so I go get a blood clot, even have 150,000. Someone who can't even get no life insurance because the whole lot full of blood clot AIDS. Whole lot full of pure germs. Cancer and AIDS are kill off the whole lot of blood clot. I don't know what get up. I forgot a doctor. God give me a fit. I get a fit bill of health to do anything I want to do. Someone who can't get no life insurance because I know dead. Because pay fuck on the hide and sell down that blood clot. All type of dirty man fuck on down a back to and I walk get up every day and chat about blood clot people. Pay a dirty man and I walk and take. For come out come in a video life and people. Have some big dirty man that I not take. I have to hide and sell pay fuck. I don't walk and worry about blood clot people. You go kill on yourself and bury on your blood clot self. Come off of my name now. I walk and worry about people and suck cocky. All man are so cocky. How much boy down there so cocky? I mean, I see them a live and live in peace. You know, let them live in peace now. Girl are suck pussy and them a live a happy life. So why is it my sucking cocky offend uno so? I mean, I couldn't not get on a blood clot part program when I go down there. I mean, my sucking cocky make on a blood clot get part program. Every day on the depend. I suck cocky and I this and that. And they are fine I suck cocky and they are fine at this. The fuck? Really? When nobody call me ask me nothing, you know. Because right now I'm mad. When nobody call me ask me nothing. Because people get up every day and I worry about people when I worry about them. When if you stop worry about people when I worry about uno. Because I not worry about uno. Me I tell you, Crystal. I not done man. From family go right blood clot down. Every day them depend me suck cocky. I'm suck cocky. Every day, enough me see the whole heap of little girl down there, pay pussy them a suck. No pussy never pass, no clit never pass this yet. No clit never pass yes so yet. Give me all of the balls them to my face. To my face. So I take them to my face. So why no problem? The man use the cocky and beat me to my face. The girl now use no pussy and blood clot condemn me. For come off of me now. I go talk pay things if you don't allow me. I go talk one only thing if you don't allow me. All about now my face, I rub it up like bleaching cream. Rub the balls them and make the cocky all about now my face. Like bleaching cream. So since you want no problem. And that time phone no man, I adjust you no man. Come on for me now man. I not arrest you all about now my face, so I rub it like blood clot bleaching cream. You understand? Yes, that's why it clean so. Come on for me now, my video on the I'm suck cocky. Really? The fuck? Really? I want the jealous tune no know, no come make me teach you know. If you don't know if you do it, it look like say that bad you know. No one do it you know, but you don't know how to do it. You know come, dive in my inbox, me tell you know. Dive in it like how you dive in a blood clot, like how you dive in a pussy. When you dive in my inbox, I tell you know, I sit down and teach you know and drown off the blood clot so cocky. You go suck on the mama the whole on man. I'm done with you now.